Okay, looks like you got a couple poses in here, um, but there's huge gaps in it's way too long. It's 20 seconds, and the maximum is 10 seconds. So anyway, let's look at the my file and try to understand what's going on there. Um, and there's no animation in this my file. I wonder, you turned in a lot of different files, so it's hard to know which one to open. There's a lot of folders anyway. Maybe you sent the wrong file. Um, Also, you didn't reference your character in. So I don't know where this animation is. Um, there's, yeah, this sits in a different folder. No, no, I don't know. So I don't see any animation in the my file. Maybe you sent the wrong file. It doesn't look like an archive scene because there was two different scene files. Also, you're supposed to be referencing your character in. If we go look at the module, you should reread module, I believe it's 11, page 11, prepare your scene, and this goes over referencing and how to, that you want to reference your character into your set. So reread this, module 11, page 11, and make sure your character is referenced in. So you have a separate clean rig file separate from your scene and your animation file. And what did you say here? What if I try to group at the eyebrow with the head? The head will move away. I guess what I'm wondering is why are you trying to group the eyebrow with the head? Oh, to create a blend shape? Is that what it is? Okay. Alright, let's see what's happening with this guy. Is there something for the set here? Okay. That's probably something's gone wrong with the rig. So pull. Just trying to compare these two. Oh, I just think somehow you've locked this. I think that's a problem. Let's try unlocking this. Oh no, it's still doing that. That's fascinating. Just trying to see how these two are different. Double transforming. To the feet. Huh. The IK handle. Group. Okay, let's see what this one does. Same. I'm not finding any hints of why this is happening. Alright, well let's try rebuilding. Really, this should be done in a separate rig file that doesn't have any of your set in it. I'm just going to delete that skeleton and then build it again. Okay. Oh, I lost the bind. Usually it keeps it. I mean, really, you should be doing all this in a clean rig file. Let's reopen this. All right, well, let's go to your geo, and then let's do select hierarchy to make sure we get all the surfaces, and then let's do skin, export skin weight maps options, and have it set to 512 by 512 export, and we'll put it in your source images directory. I'll just call it weights, and this will take a few minutes. Okay, hopefully that worked. Let's see what it says in here. Yeah, looks like it. Okay. Excuse me. So now let's redo the advanced skeleton thing. So let's toggle fit advanced skeleton. I mean, we could try just this and maybe it'll. Let's see what it does. If it keeps your weights and fixes the. Without deleting the advanced skeleton first, just rebuilding it. See if it keeps the weights. Well, that still has that problem. Okay, so let's try what I was doing before. Let's go ahead and toggle fit, delete advanced skeleton, and build it again. See if it's still doing that thing. Okay, it's not doing that double transform now. So let's select your surfaces. Do you have any blend shapes on here or anything? No, it doesn't look like it. Okay. And select the form joints, and it doesn't matter because we're going to import the skin weights. So just bind it real quick, and then select the geo, select hierarchy, skin, import weight maps, and here's the weights thing we exported, and I'll put those back on joint by joint. Hopefully it'll work. Okay. And put this back on. Okay, it's not double transforming. I don't know why that started to happen. Couldn't figure it out. But that seems to have solved that. Don't know where you're. Yeah, the weights seem to be re-imported and okay. Yeah. Oh yeah, you said whenever try to group the eyebrow with the head. Okay. To do your. Maybe it's because they're locked. Let's try unlocking them. See if they fly away. I'm gonna save this first, just because we solved that one problem. Um, okay, let's see if that works. Group. Does it? Yeah, I don't think it's gonna fly away now. Center pivot. So maybe let's just go back and see if that was indeed the problem. It's locked now. Do I group it? Oh, I still don't have that problem. Oh wait, no, it's not. Okay, it's locked, and then yeah. Oh, okay. I don't know why it was happening to you before. But yeah, I don't have your animation file. But I generally, with animation, I think you're trying to cover way too much ground with the character and do way too much. Just do one step or two steps and some kind of action. Don't try to do some big run across the environment. You'll never finish it in the time we have. It's just too much. So simplify the animation and just a one or two steps and some kind of move, change of emotion or something like that. And